So we'll see another example based on the concepts of cube root. Find the approximate cube root of 35,943. So in this question, approximate cube root they have mentioned. Suppose if they ask what is the cube root, or if they give an equation and find value of x, so where you have x cube, whatever answer you get will be a perfect cube. Say suppose if they ask what is cube root for 531,441, so using the cube root table which I told you, so you can find the cube root. So because this is a perfect cube, what is the cube root for 531,441 if they say, so this number is a perfect cube. So for 1 it will be 1 and leaving 3 digits. So which cube this 531 has crossed? It has crossed cube of 8, 5, 12. So 81 will be the answer. So but in this question, so they have asked what is the approximate cube root. So what is the number given? It is 35,943. So whenever they say as approximate cube root, it is still more simpler to find the answer. So the unit place will not tally. So please note that only if it is a perfect cube, the unit place will tally. That is 1 means 1. So 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 0. So the pattern, you will have the same numbers in its units place. For 2 it will be 8, vice versa. For 3 it will be 7. So but if it is not a perfect cube, so don't check with the unit place because the unit place will not fall under this pattern. So when they say approximate cube root, so you see what are the options given. So it is 27, 43, 57 and 33. Now if they ask what is the approximate cube root, so don't check with the unit place, that is 3 means don't go for 7 as answer. So you just leave 3 digits and check which cube this 35 has crossed. So which cube 35 has crossed? It has crossed cube of 327. So which is the answer which has tens place 3? 33. So answer, that is approximate cube root for 35943 is 33. So don't write 27. So if you write 27, you have 2 here. So these 2 digits will be 8 or more than that. And if it is 3, you will have cube root of 3, 27 or more than that. So here 35 has crossed cube of 327. So 33 is the answer. So please note that whenever approximate cube root is asked, because in approximation one question they ask in cube roots. So if approximate cube root is asked, so don't check with the unit place, you just leave 3 digits from right to left and check which cube it has crossed, and with the options you can choose the answer. So we'll see the next example. So the question is, product of 3 consecutive odd numbers is 6,783. Find the middle number of the 3 numbers. So in this question, so product of 3 consecutive odd numbers is given. So we are finding product of odd numbers, 3 consecutive odd numbers. So product is 6783. So here as you have 3 numbers, so we can use the approximate cube root pattern. So we'll see how to find the numbers using this cube roots and approximate cube root pattern. So we'll see the working. So here product of 3 numbers is given as 6783. And how to choose these numbers? So they are consecutive odd numbers. Suppose if you choose the first number as x, so what will be the next number? So it will be x plus 2. So 2 more because odd numbers. So it will be differed by 2. So what will be the third number? It will be x plus 4. So this product is 6783. So either you can choose the numbers as x into x plus 2 into x plus 4, or you can use the middle number as x, the higher number as x plus 2, 2 more, and the smaller one 2 less. So we can choose the equation like this. So anyhow, whether you use x plus 2 x plus 4 or x minus 2 x plus 2, so you will get a cubical equation while expanding. So you have to solve this. So at least you take 10 to 15 minutes to work it out. So instead of doing all this, we'll see how to find the number. So using the cube root pattern. So here as they are product of three numbers, we will use approximate cube root pattern. So product of three numbers is 6783. And now how to find approximate cube root? Leaving three digits. So check which cube 6 has crossed. So 6 has crossed cube of 1. So tens place will be 1. So we are talking about odd numbers. So we will pick out all the odd numbers starting with 1. So it is 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. So product of which three consecutive numbers should be this. So it is not 11 into 13 into 19. It should be consecutive numbers. So suppose you take 11, 13 and 15. So if you multiply these three numbers, so what will be the unit place? So as you have 5, it will end with 5. And now what is the unit place? It is not 5, you have 3. So you can't have these three numbers. Suppose if you place 15 in the middle, that is 13 into 15 into 17. So here we have taken the higher number as 15. Suppose if you take the middle number as 15, again unit place will be 5. So but we have 3, it's not 5. So these three numbers will not be the required numbers. Suppose if you take 15 as the lowest number, again it will not tally because unit place will become 5. So here this implies that 15 cannot be one among these three numbers. So we need three numbers and 15 is not one among those numbers. And how you can choose the numbers? Three consecutive odd numbers. So it can be either 13, 11 and 9 or 17, 19 and go for the higher multiple of 10, 17, 19 and 21. So now either these three numbers product should be 6783 or these three numbers should be the numbers. So now instead of multiplying 9, 11 and 13, again you can check with the unit place. So when you multiply 9 and 11, so what will be the unit place? So it will be 9. Now this unit place when you multiply with 13, so take only the unit place. So what will be the product? 27 and check only with the unit place. So when you multiply 9, 11 and 13, the product will end with 7. So what is the unit place we have got? 3. So this numbers is not the required numbers. So only 17, 19 and 21 should be the numbers which gives this product when multiplied. So here we can cross check it. So 7 into 9, 63 ends with 3 and you have 1. This again ends with 3. So only these three numbers should give this product. So it's confirmed that 17, 19 and 21 product of these three numbers is 6783. So we are asked to find the middle number. So what is the middle number of these three? So 19. So 19 is the answer. So using the approximate cube root pattern, so here we have three numbers. So we are going for approximate cube root. So if they give for two numbers, we can go for approximate square root. So here product of three numbers. So we are going for cube root pattern, choosing the unit place, picking out all the odd numbers and which three numbers will be the required numbers. So using the unit place we have decided the numbers and only 17, 19, 21 when multiplied will give you this product. So middle number is asked. So 19 is the answer. Suppose if they ask the smallest number 17 or higher number if they ask, it will be 21. So we saw how to find cube roots as soon as you see the number. So seeing the number in the exam, as soon as you see it, so using the cubic pattern, you can find the answer easily. And also we have discussed about the questions related to this cube root concepts. So we will see the next concept.